Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of gold USD in front of us right now, and as you can see that I have got new levels drawn here on the chart. I have got many lines here. So let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of gold USD. Let's try to understand the importance of all these levels, and then we'll be jumping to the strategy part. Clear? So let's get started. So first of all, if you look at the chart of gold USD, then we do not get a proper picture here. Okay, you may think the market was falling and then market was going up, and right now market is consolidating. Okay, the picture is not very much simple. But if I draw a trend line here, or if I just draw a trend line here in front of you right now, then you can see that market is an uptrend. Yes, previously market was in consolidation. After that there was a fall in the market. That's a different chapter. But right now you can see that market is in uptrend, and there should not be any doubt that market is constantly making higher highs. Therefore, this is a confirmation that market is in uptrend, or in simple words, buyers are dominating the market right now. The number of buyers are higher in comparison to number of sellers. Therefore, the basic rule or the thumb rule of the market, which says that follow the trend, which means that if a market is in uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. And now we have the picture that gold USD is an uptrend. Therefore, we should mainly be looking for buying opportunities. Clear? So point number one is clear. The trend of the market. The second important point is area of value. If you have watched my other videos, then you know it very well that I always emphasize or I always give importance to area of value. Area of value is extremely important so that we do not make the mistake. Okay, so that we do not deviate from the trading discipline. Area of value is nothing but the best trading opportunity or the best trading spot. In an uptrend market, the best trading opportunity, buying opportunity is always near the support. Whereas in a downtrend market or in a falling market, the best selling opportunity is always near the resistance. And as you can see right now that gold USD is in uptrend, therefore the best buying opportunity will also be near the support. And we have got few support here, so let's try to understand the support here. So first and foremost, I would like to talk about this trend line. You can see that this trend line is not a very strong support because this is a quite new one. Okay, and therefore we cannot be too much confident on this trend line that whenever market is coming down, it will be getting good support. We cannot be too much confident on this trend line because this is a new support. But in future, whenever market will be coming down, we can hope that this trend line will be providing support to the market. Therefore, this trend line is also a support, and you may add this trend line on your charting platform. But right now you can see that market is trading at 1815 level. 1815 level. Okay, so this level is important because we have got two strong important levels. Okay, market is trading between two strong important levels right now. 1832 on the upside, which is a very strong resistance for the market, and 1808 on the downside, which is a very important support for the market. Okay, try to understand my words. Okay, if you are confused right now, well, then watch the video carefully, and you can also watch the video again. But understanding the video is very, very important. See, the market is in uptrend. Clear? The market is in uptrend, and we have this trend line which is giving us the confirmation that market is constantly making higher highs and all. Okay, market is going up. And right now market is trading in this range here, 1815 level. And we have a strong resistance above at 1832 level. And we have a 1808 level as this support. If you do not know why 1808 is important, then let me take you to the weekly chart here. So this is the weekly chart of gold USD. Let me remove the drawings, and now you can see that gold USD is trading above the weekly chart. Previous week market has successfully closed above the 1808 level. Therefore 1808 is the new support for gold USD. So we have a strong resistance at 1832 level and strong support at 1808 level. So these two levels are very important. Okay. So what should be a strategy then? Our strategy is simple. Right now market is trading at 1815 level. If you want to initiate any buy order, yes, you can go ahead, but your stop loss will not be good enough, because see, your stop loss will be below this line at 1806, 1805. So the best trading opportunity, listen to me carefully, the best trading opportunity on gold USD chart is at 1808 level. So when market will be coming down, or if you find gold USD trading near the 1808 level, just observe the price, just see how the price reacts. If you see market bouncing from 1808 level, then definitely it's a buy call. On the other hand, if market goes up from here, then just observe the market at 1832 level, because 1832 level is a resistance for the market, and if it reverses from 1832 level, if you see market struggling near the 1832 level, then we'll get the confirmation that 1832 is a resistance for the market, still a valid strong resistance for the market, and you can short the market right away. So first trading opportunity is buy at 1808 level and sell at 1832 level. On the other hand, if market fails to hold 1808 level, still my dear friend, do not short the market. Okay, listen to me carefully. If market goes below also 1808 level, do not short the market until and unless you see good volume. So be very careful. So buy at 1808 and sell at 1832. And if you want to buy right now, you can go for a buy, but take a very small position. I'll say not to go for any new fresh orders, because market is trading quite you'll get a better price. That's it. And my dear friends, recently I have launched a Pro Trader membership program where you can be a part of the analysis, my analysis, where I bring the best trading opportunities in front of you. Okay, so if you are interested, just go to my website abhilashajarika.com. Under Pro Trader section, you'll find all the information. If you're interested, you can be a part of the team for just $15 per month, and you can just check out all the details. And if you're interested in learning to trade, and if you want to learn from me, then you please visit the workshop page on my website abhilashajarika.com. You'll find all the information. So that's it. So hopefully you've understood what you need to do and what should be a strategy on gold USD. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow again. Bye bye.